Hi guys, and welcome to Forge Wright. Glad you could join me. First thing I'd like to do is apologize for my absence from YouTube for a while. Due to a number of reasons, I have been unable to get in and spend the time that's necessary to film, edit and upload videos. There is multiple reasons which I won't go into: family issues, health issues, heavy workload, all conspiring to mean that I don't have the time at the moment to get into the workshop here and do the whole video thing. Doesn't mean to say I haven't had the odd hour or two to get in here and do a few things. I've spent a bit of time in here, maybe a couple of hours on a weekend when I get the time, but not enough to do a proper video and like I say, go through the editing and uploading process. So thank you for people who have been patient and haven't unsubscribed. I'd like to thank the people who have subscribed and make comments and support me on this journey into blacksmithing. I really appreciate your support. And also to the people who watch the channel but haven't bothered to subscribe. If you're one of those people, I would strongly recommend that you hit that button to help me grow the channel. I have a secret project on the go, which is what I've been doing when I've been coming in here and finding an hour here and an hour there. Unfortunately, I can't make that video public. I have finished the video, and well, part one of the video. It's a 3-part project, and I finished part one. I've recorded all the video and I've started editing those videos, and I'll progressively get part 2 and part 3 up and running soon and get those edited and ready to upload. But given the nature of the project, I can't make those public until I have finished. So that's the secret project. But I have a lot of other things that I want to get done over the next few weeks. I've had a lot of disruption in my workshop. I'm upgrading, so great for me. I'm going to be buying a whole bunch more tools and setting up much better workspace, upgrading some of the cheaper, crappier tools that I do have to some good quality tools. And also I will be posting some fabrication videos of some much needed tools, items that will make my work in the workshop so much more efficient and enjoyable. So I will be posting some of those videos in the next couple of weeks, but just wanted to make sure everybody knew that I am alive, I am well, and I will be back. So I won't make this a long video, just a bit of a spiel to let you know that everything's okay down here in southern Tasmania. It's freezing. The days are really short, so we're not really getting any daylight until 8 o'clock in the morning, and then it's dark by 5 o'clock at night. And heavy frosts overnight. It's not getting up above 6 to 8, maybe 10 degrees during the day. That's Celsius, of course. So for you guys in northern North America, doesn't sound cold, but in Tassie, it's pretty cold. Snow on the mountain there. Where I work out in the field, lots of snow on the ground. So yeah, it's a bit chilly, it's a bit dark, it's a bit cold, and a bit gloomy at the moment. So not getting a lot of time to do things other than family issues, health issues, as I've already stated. So I'll leave it there. I'll just make this a quick short video to let you know that everything's okay. Appreciate your support and your patience in not unsubscribing from my channel, as I haven't had a video up for a few weeks, a couple of weeks or whatever it has been. I will be back bigger and better than ever. So I really look forward to posting the next video, and I look forward to getting some responses from your views on the upgrades that I've done in my workspace and some of the things that I make into the future. Thanks again, and bye for now.